What's up, 2C? Check out this new house coming on the market. It's a little piece of Rome. Got your own little statues over here. Got some Roman fighters, a fountain, nice landscaping. Got a statue of David there. Watch out, don't show the kids. Got a goose. I'm not sure who this is. And then we got Caesar up on top. Nice edging around this house. So you've got this carport here, extra parking along the side, minutes from downtown Caldwell. And I'm gonna start the 3D tour so you can check that out. Nice huge lot. You got about a quarter acre here, so check it out.